Oh no, it's 7:30. We're late. Wake up. We overslept.
What? What time is it? 7:30? Our flight is at 10. Okay. We need to move.
I know. I should have set 2 alarms. Where's my green jacket?
Probably in the closet. Where's my charger?
Right here. I packed it for you. And I already dressed the kids. They're still sleepy, but ready.
Thank you. You're amazing. But where are the snacks?
In the black backpack. And yes, I packed coffee for us. Parents survive on it.
You're perfect. Did you pack the mosquito spray?
Maybe.
Hey, you forgot it?
Okay. We'll buy it at the airport. The taxi will be here in 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Oh no, I haven't brushed my hair yet. Hold on, let me fix it quickly.
You look great. Still brushing mine, though. Passports. Check. Tickets. Check. Coffee. Double check. Kids. Shoes on and ready.
Perfect. Wait, my travel pillow.
Grab it. But hurry. We don't have time.
Good morning. I'm here for the airport pickup. David?
Yes, that's me. Good morning. Thanks for being on time.
No problem. Let me help you with the luggage.
That would be great. Thank you. We have 2 suitcases and a couple of bags.
All set. Everyone ready?
Yes, let's go. Terminal 3, please.
Terminal 3. Got it. International flight?
Yes, we're heading to Costa Rica. Family vacation.
Nice. You picked a beautiful destination. How long is the flight?
About 5 hours. The kids are already tired before we even started.
They'll sleep on the plane then. Don't worry, I'll get you there with plenty of time.
The kids look sleepy again. Lucky them.
I envy them. I'm excited. We haven't traveled in years.
And this time, promise me, no work calls.
Okay. No calls. Only pictures.
Good. What are you most excited about in Costa Rica?
Beaches, volcanoes, rainforests, and maybe some ice cream.
Definitely ice cream.
Oh no, traffic.
Please move, cars. We're on a mission.
Don't worry, we still have time.
The kids silently look out the window, pointing at cars and lights.
Terminal 3. We made it.
Okay, kids, hold hands, stay close.
Wow, so many people here.
Airports always feel like busy malls.
Check in first. There, the line for Costa Rica.
Perfect. Come on, little travelers.
Let me grab the passports. 1, 2, 3, 4. All here.
Did you print the booking confirmation?
Yes, it's in my email. I can show them on my phone.
Good. Emma, stop dragging your backpack on the floor.
Here, let me carry it for you. We're almost at the counter.
Look at this line. It's moving slowly.
At least we have time. Our flight's not for another 2 hours.
2 hours sounds like a lot, but with security and everything...
We'll be fine. Don't worry.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. San Jose, Costa Rica.
Passports, please.
Here you go.
Any checked bags?
Yes, these 2 suitcases.
Place them on the scale. 24 kilograms. That's fine.
Good. I thought it would be heavier.
Here are your boarding passes. Gate 22. Boarding begins at 9:30.
Thank you so much.
Boarding for San Jose begins in 10 minutes.
Please remove shoes, belts, watches, and metal items.
Kids too?
Yes, please.
Okay, shoes off, bags on the belt. We're doing great. Parenting level, tired champions. Finally, I thought we'd never get through security.
I know, right? That line was crazy long. I'm exhausted.
Me too, and hungry. Let's find something to eat before our flight.
Good idea. What do you feel like? There's a burger place, a pizza spot, and that coffee shop over there.
Coffee? I really need caffeine right now.
Definitely. Same here. What do you want?
Iced coffee. It's so hot in here. And maybe a sandwich. I'm actually pretty hungry.
Yeah, me too. They have turkey, chicken, and veggie sandwiches. Which one do you want?
Turkey sounds good. What about you?
I'll just share yours if that's okay. And fries? Airport fries taste special. I don't know why, but they're always good.
That's so true. Yes, let's get some. A large order?
Perfect. So 2 iced coffees, 1 turkey sandwich, and a large fries.
Sounds perfect. Oh, and can you ask for extra napkins? Airport food is always messy.
Good thinking. All right, let me go order. You want to grab that table by the window?
Yes, I'll save our seats. Here, take my card. My treat this time.
Are you sure? I can pay.
No. You bought breakfast this morning. It's my turn.
Okay, fair enough. Thanks. I'll be right back.
Take your time. I'll watch our bags.
Great. Be back in a few minutes. Okay, I'm back. And look at all this food.
Wow, that's a lot. Smells amazing, though.
Right? Here's your iced coffee. They made it with extra ice like you like.
Perfect. Thank you. Oh, and the sandwich looks huge.
Yeah, we can definitely share it. And here are the fries. Still hot.
Perfect. Did you get ketchup?
Of course, got 3 packets. And here are your extra napkins.
You're the best. Okay, let's eat before boarding starts.
What time is our flight again?
Gate closes at 3:30. We have about 40 minutes.
Plenty of time then. Let's enjoy this.
Cheers. Here's to successful travels.
Cheers. And to airport fries.
The real MVP of airport food.
Absolutely. What's Costa Rica really like?
Warm, green, full of nature. Rainforests, beaches, beautiful animals.
I want to see a sloth.
And I want sunshine, real sunshine.
Did we forget anything?
Sunscreen?
Oh.
David?
I'll buy it there. Promise. You worry too much.
Because you forget too much.
Seat belts on. Kids' belts secure?
Yes. Look, I can see the wing.
Me too. It's huge.
Please fasten your seatbelts. We're preparing for takeoff.
Here we go.
Whoa, we're moving fast.
And lifting off.
Look, the ground is shrinking.
And now, clouds. Beautiful.
Drinks?
Orange juice for me, coffee for him, and a small cookie pack for the kids.
These cookies are tiny.
Everything on planes is tiny, except my anxiety.
What was that?
Just turbulence. Turbulence shakes slightly, like bumps on a road.
Okay, still holding the armrest.
Look, clouds look like cotton candy.
They really do.
We will be landing shortly in San Jose.
Finally.
We did it!
And the kids stayed calm the whole time. Miracle.
Hello. Are you the Davis family?
Yes, that's us.
Welcome to Costa Rica. I will take you to Hotel Blue Horizon.
Thank you.
Feel that air, warm and soft.
It smells like flowers.
And listen, birds. Are those parrots?
Maybe. We'll find out soon. I can't wait to swim
And see the rainforest.
and then sleep.
Same.
We made it.
We sure did. Costa Rica, here we come. Wow, this place is beautiful.
It looks like paradise.
Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes. Under Jessica Davis?
Ah, yes. One room with balcony view. Here is your key. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much.
Oh, look at this room. It's huge.
And the view, incredible.
The kids jump happily on the soft hotel bed. Be careful, but okay, have fun.
They deserve it. Long trip.
This air feels amazing.
And this view, perfect. Warm sunset, palm trees, ocean breeze.
And that was our first day in Costa Rica. From rushing at home, to airport chaos, to a long flight, to this beautiful hotel, we finally made it. Thank you for joining our journey today.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to The Daily Speak. Tell us, what is your favorite travel destination? Bye. See you in the next episode.